Hey guys, Jason here. Welcome back to another episode of Carveco Hacks. Carveco Hacks is a short video series that teaches you tips and tricks on the Carveco software. In this hack, I'm going to show you how to better improve your bitmaps for the bitmap to vector tool. I'm just going to import a bitmap or an image. If we go over here to our 2D view, we need to reduce our colors for our bitmap to vector tool. So we open up our bitmap to vector tool and we hit reduce colors. Let's go all the way down to 2 colors and hit apply. Now, if I were to just do the bitmap to vector trace right now, let me zoom in. There's some things on this card that didn't come through all the way. This line is just a bunch of dots. There's a couple of different places where the lines didn't meet up. So I could trace this as it is and then try and fix the vectors, or I also could fix this bitmap before I trace it. Now to do that, all we're going to do is go up here to our bitmap tab, and there's a couple of tools that we have. We have draw, which we can freehand and draw it, but the one I want to show you today is this draw bitmap line. Now this has a brush diameter. You can make it really big or really small. This is kind of fine what we're doing, so we're going to be really small. And basically what I want to do is select the color that I want to draw, and then I'm just going to fix some of these lines. Now this works just like the polyline tool. You just draw a line, and then it's going to draw a bitmap or a line wherever I want it. So basically what I'm going to do is fix or enhance some of these lines that are not well defined. Now, what this is great for is like when you wanted these lines like this to go all the way over, I can then make those meet. We can clean this up. Now, I'm not worried about the extra pixels there. We're going to smooth that out with our trace tool. Okay, and now that I've got all those fixed, I can also do things like if I want to thin some of this out, we can change the color over to white. And say we wanted to make a break between these lights or something, we actually can just alter this and create any kind of shape that you might want. So what you can do is actually fix your bitmaps for how you want it to look. And these stronger, bolder lines will trace much better. We can thin this out. Alternatively, we could go up here to our bitmap and we can click our paint tool, and our paint tool sort of works the same way. It just works on your stroke. So you just hold the mouse button down and I can paint away. And this allows me to fix things that are not well defined. And now I've fixed that and made that a lot tighter and a lot cleaner. Very powerful tool. Not many people know this about or use this one probably. If these hacks are helping out, consider subscribing. Give us a like and share this with someone. Thanks guys. Make bit happen, and I'll see you on the next hack.